almost 12:30 in the afternoon. See the snow cover that's left from the previous storms. Well, the reason why we're doing today with no snow falling is tomorrow is a winter storm watch. There's some of the clouds of the impending snowstorm. It was 7 degrees this morning here. Not bad for January 6th, 1996. January 7th, Sunday, 1996. Having some light snow. Forecast is for a blizzard of 12 to 18 inches. And we might get it. Still very light snow. A blizzard warning for tonight. Okay, it's been snowing like this for a little over an hour. We should see at least 10 inches out of this storm. I said this before and during another blizzard, but it's a little ridiculous to shovel now. Not even, it hasn't even started yet. It looks like we're having a blizzard. I've seen it snow heavier than this. About 16, 17 degrees. A true blizzard.
down to the other side, and you have to go downhill. Then I put the deep into 1. No kidding. That's the only way to keep yourself from sliding out of control, and you can't go any more than about 5 or 10 miles per hour. I'm on 63rd now, approaching 5th. We're moving. The park looks absolutely beautiful, but John Bolte, hang in there. I'm as close as I could possibly get to 88 without actually being in the door now. So just a little more for John, and I'll take over for you, and we'll continue watching the storm for all of you.
Bringing some donuts in here, Craig.
Yeah, I wish I had the time to stop, yeah.
Yeah, cheapskate. Thanks, Craig. Helen, our meteorologist, will be hearing from you live here just a little bit as we brave our way through this big blizzard. WCBS News Time 1:55. Stay tuned.
Jack and Say So on the West Side Highway, and in Jersey City right now, WINS reporter Al Jones.
Yeah, I'm kind of repeating everyone. A steady, heavy snowfall here with the wind picking up, noticeably picking up. You can take it from someone who...
Right now, at the airport itself, what's it like, Ben Bebrek?
I came to JFK by way of the Cross Island Parkway to the Belt Parkway, and it was a disaster. Very difficult driving. Spin out every couple of yards. People in front of me spinning out, near misses, near accidents. Terrible drive on the way to the airport. Also, myself had a pullover. Sort of problem you're going to face if you're out today. Just got to the airport a little while ago. It's whiteout conditions. You can't see a thing at the airport, as you've been reporting throughout much of the day that the airport is open. But that's really just in name only. Most of the flights have been canceled. And, of course, call ahead just to make sure about departures and arrivals. We'll try to talk to some of the passengers who are waiting inside the terminal. But now, Ben Bebrek, where is it, JFK?
All right, we should point out the flights are still coming and going, but on a very limited basis, and some airlines have given up already. Continental will do that at 3 o'clock at Newark Airport. In other words, stop flights in and out of there. U.S. Air has already suspended flights, and we've got problems at neighboring airports as well. International flights sometimes would go to, like Washington or maybe Philadelphia, if they can't make it to New York, but they can't do that today because of the storms in Philadelphia and Washington. We do have a bunch of closings so far.
It's almost a blizzard now. We need is 35-mile-an-hour wind, temperature of 20 degrees or less, and heavy snowfall. I guess this is a blizzard. Got about 4 inches so far. See the time.
Move under their feet earlier today. A group of earthquakes struck the Ridgecrest area in the high desert about 100 miles north of Los Angeles. No reports of injuries or damage. They're said to be an
You see drifts developing here up by the school.
Recent medical studies show that 10 minutes Gold Bond cream provided more effective itch relief than Cortisone 10. And Gold Bond contains 2 medically proven pain relievers not found in Cortisone 10.
Gold Bond? Yes, news footage and thousands of articles from the New York Times.
The flights in and out of New York. Some airports are now closed. Wow, what a day this has been. WCBS News Time 3:04. I'm Wayne Cabot, and WCBS reporter Rich Lamb is on duty in the Snow Center. Rich?
And Wayne, what a day it will be. Snow of the blizzard of '96 blows sideways and swirls between the buildings here in Midtown Manhattan. Walking and driving is treacherous. Forecaster Craig Allen is here in the WCBS Weather Center. Craig?
All right, what we're looking at right now is coming down at 1 to 2 inches per hour, actually. It's just getting heavier and heavier, and I just took a quick look at radar. And when you try to start looking at just how heavy the precipitation is, it's just even worse off to the south of us, and that's what John has been describing through the day today. So while we're coming down at 1 to 2 inches per hour right now, there's the possibility of getting 2 or 3 inches per hour. I wouldn't even rule out perhaps a little bit of thunder to go along with this. That's the type of system that we have here right now. So in total, it's going to be very hard to measure when this thing starts tapering down, which probably won't be until tomorrow afternoon. But in total, we're still looking at the 1 to 2 foot range with drifts, probably with winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. That easily, the formula would say that easily means drifts over 4 feet.
Now, Craig, how does this rate among the snowmakers you've seen over your career? You have a long career in weather.
Yeah, long career. We're right here at 88, as a matter of fact. And one of the first bad snowstorms that I did blizzards was the blizzard of 78. Then there was 83. We had one, of course, 93. We can't forget March 93, just a couple years back. And last year, I'll never forget how easy last year was. But this one,